This is my 12th video, class 8 science, chapter sound. Here in this chapter we want to discuss causes of generation of sound, reason for differences in sound from different sources, mechanism of propagation of sound from one place to another, and mechanism of hearing of sound by the human ears. Sound is a form of energy which produces the sensation of hearing in our ears. Basic cause of all sounds is vibration. Sound produced by humans. It is the voice box or the larynx of the human body system that help us to produce sound. The voice box has two vocal cords stretched across it. They are stretched across the voice box in such a way that there is a narrow gap or slit between them. Air can pass through this slit. The vibrations produced by our vocal cords get converted into speech with the help of the tongue, the nose and the lips. Speech is the production of that sound that has a definite and clear meaning for us. Birds have a ring of cartilage called syrinx. Bees, when returning to their hive, are loaded with honey and therefore heavier. They then vibrate their wings less rapidly compared to the case when they are on their way for collecting honey. This difference in the pitch of their buzzing sound helps trained person to decide whether the bees are returning back to their hive or are on their way to collect honey. Propagation of sound. Here in this figure, this is the simple demonstration through which you can show jar fitted with air, jar with no air. If there is air in the jar, you can hear a sound. If there is no presence of sound, there is no presence of air, you are not able to hear sound. A speed of sound depends on the elasticity, the density of the medium through which it propagates. In case of air, it also depends upon the temperature of air. Here, generally, a speed of sound is taken 330 meter per second, and in water 1500 meter per second. 1500 meter per second. Light propagates faster than sound. You know, a speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Maximum displacement of a vibrating body on either side of its central position is called its amplitude. Time period. Time interval to complete one cycle is known as time period. Frequency. A vibrating body completes a fixed number of cycles of vibration in 1 second. This number is known as frequency. And here the amplitude of a vibration can be measured in units of distance length. Therefore, its SI unit is meter. The SI unit of frequency is hertz. Now, relationship between hertz and second. Hertz is equal to 1 by second. The word pitch is used to describe the shrillness or flatness of a sound. Loudness of sound depends on the square of the amplitude of the vibration producing that sound. Its unit is the bell. Audible and inaudible sound. Audible and inaudible sound. 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz is audible range, and sounds of frequencies below 20 Hz cannot be detected by the human ear. Such sounds are called infrasonic sounds and are inaudible to us. Sounds of frequency higher than 20,000 Hz are called ultrasonic sounds or ultrasounds. Whales and elephants produce sound in the infrasonic range. Ultrasounds are produced by dolphins, bats, and porpoises. Noise and music. Irregular or non-periodic vibration. The quality or timbre of a sound is that characteristics which enables us to distinguish one sound from another, even if they have the same pitch and loudness. The sound which it is more present is said to be of rich quality. Music is pleasant to hear and is of rich quality. Noise is unpleasant to hear. Noise pollution. Effects of noise pollution on health. The most immediate effect in deterioration of mental health. Continuous noise can create panic. The defected person may become jumpy and his frustration level may increase. It may also result in lack of concentration of mind. Measures to limit noise pollution. Hearing impairment. Total hearing impairment, a rare defect, may be there from birth itself. Partial disability is generally the result of a disease. Now question answer time. Shrinks, decibel, frequency, ultrasound, noise. True, false, true, 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 false. Amplitude. Taking all together because first and second only. Carrying encourage, listen music in medium volume. Now D and E. Chapter 12. Sound. You may pause the video and you are able to write all questions and answer. Here there is a simple suggestion to you all. This is my humble suggestion to you all. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for new video. Okay, thank you.